Thank God.
Yeah.
Hey.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tired.
What's up, bruh? How you doing? So basically, I have this red hair in it, and I have no clue what I'm gonna do with the makeup. But in the end, I got there, you know, because this hair, yeah, it takes special skill to pull off. So I needed to make sure that I looked on point without looking crazy. The hair, by the way, is from Chinalacewig. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll be giving you more info in a sec. But first, let's start off by styling this out by making sure the face is on point. So I moisturized with the vitamin E moisturizer from the Body Shop. Then I went in with a vitamin C serum to brighten up the face because I've been having poor diet, poor everything, so it's just fully trash at the moment. Like, it's just madness, like, no. But yeah, I'm slowly getting myself together, guys. I'm telling you, life is mad, you know, life is absolutely mad. But anyways, I am just like cutting up the baby hairs because it comes with like long hairs at the front, so you can make some nice baby hairs. But I kind of left it kind of long because I feel like it looks a little bit better that way. So I'm just trying, you know, style it up a little bit while, you know, before I do the whole makeup thing and all that. I missed you guys. It's been long. Anyways, I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony and using one of their angled brushes and just filling it out. Yeah, just like fill out my brows and all that. By the way, the wig, yeah, it's about 14 inches. It's about 200% density and it's T1B135. That makes no sense to me. All I think of is just red, wavy, and it's 14 inches. And it's a 360 wig, by the way. Well, I think it is. Yeah, it is a 360 wig. Anywho, I use my Tarte shape tape to, you know, clean up the eyebrows and then to like put it all over the eyelid and I just blend it out. I didn't use my sponge because it's bare dirty. You know, sometimes you sit down and you want to do your makeup and you can't be able to actually get up and actually wet the sponge. So I use the brush. Then I use my powder to everything. Then bold lashes, the bold face lashes. I think this is Game Changer. Put that on. Then I'm going to prime my face. So the Pore Eraser, I think it is, from NYX. And then I'm going to go in with like a Benefit matte rescue. So basically it kind of like makes my T-zone matte because I get very, very oily in there. So yeah, once I've done that, foundation, best foundation in the entire world, Revlon Color Stay Foundation. I'm in the shade 410 Cappuccino. It's so full coverage, like it actually covers my dark marks without me having to bloody conceal. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. What are you saying, bro? Like, that is sick. And it's only, what, like £10? Babes, I'm stocking up on this. Like, I'm actually stocking up on this. Since I've had my fillers, by the way, I haven't had to use as much concealer as I normally do. So anybody hating, so you don't need it, listen, it improved a lot. You might not see it, but I seen it. The fillers improved my under eye area big time, and I've had loads of messages saying how, you know, they're not confident to go and do it because they've been thinking about it for ages. Listen, I know what I'm doing. I know my audience, man. Anyways, back in with the Beauty Bakery powder, and I'm just gonna set the under eye using like a little bit because we're still trying to go for a natural glam. Then I'm just gonna carve out the underneath the cheekbone. Is it underneath the cheekbone? The side of my face. As I said before, I've been breaking out. My skin's been trash, but you know, the show must go on. Then I'm going to be setting everything with my L'Oreal powder in Cocoa. This doesn't look like Cocoa, but it works because it doesn't really show up as much, so it's alright. Then I'm going in with my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer and just bronzing the face, adding warmth, and I use it as like a kind of a contour. My favorite thing in the world. It always breaks, so I have to keep buying new ones, but it's absolutely awesome. And by the way, I'm just checking out the makeup and the hair to see if, you know, my whole vision is actually coming to life, you know what I mean? Then I'm just contouring my nose. People keep asking me how I contour my nose. I just use the bronzer, just use a brush and just go on the side and just blend that in. Then I put it on my eyelid to kind of like, you know, give some transition shade or whatever, because my eyelid was looking pretty plain and I didn't really like it, so I like gave some warmth to it and all that. This is actually the most fun voiceover I've ever done. Normally I get such anxiety doing voiceovers, but I'm actually having a lot of fun this time. Anyways, I'm using my cream eyeliner from Primark, line the eyes, then Benefit Better Than Sex mascara, and you know, blend everything in, you know, make sure the lashes are prominent. Then I'm using the Makeup Addiction. This is like the Holy Glow 2 palette, and I'm just using that as a highlight between the eyes and on the bridge of the nose. It's very, very pigmented, so use a very, very light hand. Then I'm going in with I actually don't remember which one this is. It was too quick. I need to slow down this bit so I can actually remember. Oh wait, hold on. No, it's a Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter in Rock On World. Yes, well done, Shan, for holding it back up in the bloody camera so people can see what it is. But yeah, nice subtle highlight without being overly bright. You know, when the light hits your face, it's like, yes bitch, killing it. Then I'm using my Huda Beauty matte lipstick, and I actually don't remember the name, but it'll be in the description bar below, so check it out. And then I'm using my ColourPop lipsticks in Pitch, and then I'm just lining my lips. Favorite thing in the world. I don't know what I'm gonna do when it's finished, but yeah, it's just like, it just makes every nude look really good. Then I'm using my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I use this on everything as well. Oh my god, it's finishing, but I'm just scraping out the bottom of it because lord, it's good. Save my face with Makeup Revolution fixing spray, and it's the oil control one, by the way. So yeah, set my face with that, and then I'm just gonna curl up the hair a little bit. The thing is, the hair is so nice and soft, but the curls fall out very, very easily. I did in the end put hairspray on it, but they still kind of like dropped. I also did like an updo, but I lost my footage, so like I was just like, no. But basically all I did was just tie it up, and the little two-piece that was hanging at the front here, I just flicked it behind the bun, and then just made sure that the edges were out so you couldn't see the lace. That was literally it. It was so easy. If I do another tutorial, I will show you how I did it, but it was like literally just tied it up. It was nothing special at all. But yeah, anyways guys, look what I did.
A lot of you have been asking what happened when I first started this.
I grabbed the curling iron with my hand. Nothing makes me more angry than when I burn myself. But anyways, the show must go on. It wasn't that deep, you know, I'm a bad man. Sticking it out for the peeps. But I'm gonna also like tease up the hair. Like the curls look absolutely beautiful when you make them, but they just fall out, and maybe I don't use enough hairspray, but yeah, I wanted more volume, so I just puffed the bad boy up, like literally just tease it with like a bower brush. By the way, look how pretty that is. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Oh my god. But yeah, as I said before, this is from Chinalacewig, 14 inches 360 lace wig. Very, very soft, beautiful hair, very, very affordable. You know, it's just like really, really nice. But yes girl, yes, volume. Then we just spray up with Got To Be, because I really, really wanted the curls to actually just stay like this. But with all the finger combing that I was doing, it just dropped again. I need to use some heavy duty spray to keep these in. But yeah, I decided to kind of just style up the baby hairs just a little bit, not too extra, and it looks so lovely.
That shit behind us, but
Bitch, come through. You and you. I'ma get the money. Drizzy, get the loot. Pull up with that Draco. Play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument. I blow you like a flute.
What's up? Hey dudes, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Oh sugar. You know when your hair is just doing some crazy mad thing, but that's just the hair in it. Yeah, so yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, wagwan, Shan. We just do loads of stuff. Oh my god, I'm trying to do that like intro that everybody does. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, you're most welcome. Hi man, you cool? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, oh, you see, it's really hard for me to do. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Shan here. If you're new here, welcome. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I can say. Yeah, so this look was basically, I had red hair. I have ombre red hair with dark roots. I don't remember the last time I even had something with like
like full on dark roots in it. So it's just like I'm just looking at myself thinking, like, I'm getting sexy Krusty the Clown vibes. Yeah, like, I don't know, I like it. I haven't had red in ages, so I'm just literally like looking at myself thinking, am I in love, am I not in love? I don't know. Oh, what do you guys think? This is for you lot to say. But I must say, like, I don't have problems with the hair is perfect in terms of like the texture, how it feels, everything. The dye job is not too shabby, you know what I mean, not too shabby. Darling. But and the makeup I wanted to include because I just feel like people would get this type of hair and be like, but how would I pull it off? Trust me, babes, like, nice, simple, natural, fresh, brightened up, you know, accentuating your features, yeah, having a little bit of pop somewhere in between the eyes just really brings the look together without having to be OTT. So that's what I thought I'd bring to you guys. I'm putting on so much weight, I bloody hate it. I'm going back to the gym. When I get the motivation to go, I'm gonna start looking at some Instagram models, so then it pushes me to actually get myself together. That's my motivation online, innit? Anyways, yeah. I really hope you like the hair, I hope you like the whole look. Yeah, man, it's when you're happy that you're supposed to be put on the weight, innit? Happy weight. Anyways, guys, big up yourself.